What up today, guys? Ghost Explorations out here. I'm down in DC. I'm at the famous historical United Brick Works complex. They used to make bricks here, if anybody didn't guess that from the title. The historical property. You can see there's like the old mortars in there. There's a big hole in the fence. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. So what I've quickly gathered is that this site was doing brick stuff in World War II. There's some bathrooms. You can tell what that is. There's some showers. Let's go. So this manufacturer was open during World War II, and they were producing bricks for the United States government, I'm guessing. I'll have to look up the history. I'll drop it in the description for everyone to check out. Pretty much there's 1, 2, 3, there might be 4 of these things, these sheds kind of things here. I don't know what all this stuff was used for, but yeah. This is stop number 3 technically today. I